Hey everyone, if you want an easier way to create and use bootable USB drives, Ventoy is one of the best tools available. After installing Vent on a USB drive, you can simply copy ISO files onto it and boot directly without recreating the drive every time. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Ventoy step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure Vent is already installed on your USB flash drive. Then connect the USB drive to your computer and open it in File Explorer. You should see the main storage partition that's ready for your files. Next, copy the ISO files you want to boot from directly onto the USB drive. You don't need to extract them or use any additional software. Simply drag and drop the ISO files just like any other file. Once the files have finished copying, safely eject the USB drive from your computer. This helps prevent file corruption and ensures all data has been written correctly. Now connect the Ventoy USB drive to the computer you want to boot. Restart the system and open the boot menu using the appropriate key for your device, then choose the USB drive from the list. When the Ventoy menu appears, you'll see all the ISO files stored on your USB drive. Use the keyboard to select the operating system or utility you want to boot, then press Enter to continue. There's no need to recreate the USB drive each time you add a new ISO. If you want to add more operating systems later, simply reconnect the USB drive to your computer and copy additional ISO files onto it. You can also delete old ISO files whenever you no longer need them. Vent makes managing multiple bootable images incredibly simple, and that's how to use Ventoy. With a single USB drive, you can store multiple bootable ISO files and switch between them whenever you need, making system installation and recovery much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.